also our prize sponsors. This year we are being supported by Mass General. They are supplying gift certificates to the overall winners that are right downtown here on Broadway. So you can use that gift certificate today downtown. And also Devil's Foot Brewing. Of course. Please stay to the right. When you hit the traffic circle, right after you start here at the end of the road, you're going to pretend you're a car and you're going to go all the way around that traffic circle and then follow the arrows. Okay, so just continue around the circle as you're following traffic. And then stay to the right of all the roads. There's a narrow.
No, we got that. That's all right.
Independence Day 5K, Asheville, North Carolina.
Let's go.
Yeah, we're gonna do it. We'll show you some scenes along the way. Not gonna record the whole thing, but we're getting ready to start here. 10 seconds. Okay. Off like a herd of turtles. Nice and shady here.
Uh-huh. I keep hitting my hand and my keys. It hurts my thumb. That's nice, huh?
Passing the YMCA.
It's 240.
240 straight ahead. I go uphill here a little bit. That's mile 1. Two more to go.
2.2.
Yeah. Let's not quibble.
And that's very bad.
No.
That's not even our neighborhood watch anymore.
Although my watch, whatever the hell it's doing, says it's 0.77 miles.
I just hit a mile. Let me know.
Yeah, my watch is acting funky.
This is Hillside. We take this way to Maryland.
Yeah.
Morning.
At least you at least she enjoys her job.
Yeah, she's like those traffic directors you see on
Yeah.
TV. I better watch her doing.
We're now on the corner of Irwin and Catherine Place.
Edwin.
Oh, Edwin. What did I say?
Irwin.
Okay, Irwin, Edwin, whatever.
His brother.
Yeah, his brothers.
The twins.
Not quite to 2 miles yet. And here's the 2 mile marker. Okay. And we're on Charlotte Street. 1 mile to go. 1.1, something like that.
I'm saying this, but the street's more level than the sidewalks.
Yeah, I got off those bricks on there.
This is where we started.
Didn't want to, yeah, didn't want to take a tumble.
I really wanted to finish within an hour. We're close.
Almost missed this one. 103. Snuck up on me. So we got 0.1 mile to go. Almost done. I like her.
Minutes. It'll be 9 o'clock.
Well, we did it. In case you didn't see, it was 57 minutes. We'll be back to wrap up in a moment.
Don't forget to stop your watch.
Well, we finished.
57.24.
Yeah, a little over 57 minutes. Not bad for a couple old geezers. And now it's rest and relaxation time. And thanks for following along a little bit on this kind of short video. And we'll see you next time. Bye.